Imagine hitting the road, camping under the stars, or needing extra fridge space at home, all without the constant hassle of ice. This EKOJUCE 12-volt refrigerator promises to be that game changer. A true portable powerhouse keeping everything perfectly chilled or frozen, no matter where you are. At its heart, this EKOJUCE unit boasts a high-efficiency compressor. This isn't just a thermoelectric cooler, it's a proper fridge and freezer, capable of dropping temperatures to a frosty -4 degrees Fahrenheit or warming things up to 68 degrees. That incredible range means you can keep ice cream solid, drinks perfectly cold, or store fresh produce without wilting. Being a compressor unit, it's incredibly efficient, drawing minimal power while delivering serious cooling. It's even UL certified, giving you peace of mind about its safety and energy consumption. For something so capable, its compact design is genuinely impressive. With a 15-liter capacity, it's just the right size for a weekend trip, a fishing excursion, or a handy overflow fridge. The hidden handle is a smart touch, making it easy to carry without awkward protrusions. It's truly portable, fitting neatly into cars, RVs, or boats, completely eliminating the need for bulky, messy ice. Just plug it in, set your temperature, and you're good to go. One standout feature for anyone spending time in a vehicle or tent is its quiet operation. At just 42 decibels, it's barely a whisper, ensuring your journey or campsite remains peaceful. The LCD panel is intuitive, letting you easily adjust and monitor the temperature. What truly sets it apart for road warriors is the 3-level battery protection system. This clever feature prevents the fridge from draining your car battery completely, automatically restarting when voltage stabilizes. Plus, for bumpy rides, the 4 tie-down slots, though straps are sold separately, offer excellent stability, and they even throw in 4 silicone coasters to keep drinks steady. These thoughtful details really enhance the user experience. The UL certification speaks volumes about its quality and safety. EKOJUCE includes both 1224V DC and 10240V AC power cables, so you can seamlessly switch between your vehicle and a standard wall outlet. Just remember their tip: let it stand upright for a day before its first use to let the compressor fluids settle. Overall, the EKOJUCE 12-volt refrigerator delivers on its promise. It's a powerful, versatile, and surprisingly quiet portable fridge and freezer that genuinely enhances any adventure or simply adds convenience to your daily life. If you're tired of soggy sandwiches and melted ice, this might just be the perfect solution you've been looking for.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.